First of all, that's my gun. That's mine! Alright, hey guys. We're back in another video. Hey, Connor. Give me it! That's mine! Dude! Give it! It's my property. Give it! Now!
Take it, boy! Take it then, boy! And I wonder
if you won't shut up.
No.
3,
Hey!
2, 1, go!
Hey!
I'm sorry.
I'm shooting you in your head, boy.
No!
I told you. Oh, we got one more, boy. We got one more.
That's right!
Uh-huh. Uh-huh, boy.
That actually doesn't really hurt. Give me it back.
Nah,
Dude.
it's mine now.
No, Conrad. Please. Please.
Yeah, boy.
Give it. Oh. Stop.
Yeah, boy. I told you not to shoot me in the face, boy.
Show to me. Show to me.
Look at this. Look at this dude.
Hey.
Take your gun, boy.
Give me some 6 bullets. Give me 6 bullets. Put it back over there.
What, boy?
Please.
What?
Can you put it, like, lay it? It's right there. Please. Please, Conrad. Conrad, fine. I'll
Show
do
the
it.
followers.
Huh?
Show the followers.
Haha, you missed.
I'll get my bullet back. Fine, I'll set them up. Give it to me.
And
Where?
let me go down without you shooting me.
Aw.
Aw. We're having a real Nerf fun board later. And then let's record that. Oh.
Yeah, boy.
We got them.
Yeah, boy.
Remember Duty Nay Nay?
What duty nay nay? Boy! Yeah, that's what I thought. Who do you work for?
Conrad.
Who do you work for?
Conrad should come beside me. I'm kidding. I don't look for help. Ah! Oh!
Ah!
we starting a real one?
Yeah.
How should I set it up?
Here, take your gun and load it.
Take your gun.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Here. We're gonna end it and make a real one.